Number practice review 12. Today you will practice reviewing the number 12. 12 is a two-digit number. It has a 1 and a 2. A 2 is a curve around and a slide across. 12 is 1 whole 10 plus 2. Let's try to write one. We have digit 1 and the digit 2. 1 whole 10 plus 2 more equals 12. It is a funny kind of word, 12. 12 is written with a T, which is a tall letter, a W, E, L, which is a tall letter, V, and an E. 12. Let's try to write a 12 on our own. We have T, it's a tall letter. Then the W and the E are in the grass. So I keep them between the dotted line and the bottom line. That's the spacing for E's and W's. And an L is a tall letter again. And then a V and an E are in the grass. So I keep those between the middle and the bottom. 12. Okay, we're going to go on a number hunt now to find number 12. And we want to practice naming these numbers and then hunting for the 12s. 8, 13, 0, 3, 12. Woohoo! 9, 25, 12. 4, 26, 4. 12. 25, 3, 9, 8, 1, 2, 21. Now 21 is not 12. It sometimes gets confusing. 21 is 2 10s and 1, not 12. We have 5, 7, 22, 24, 3, 12. 5, 4, 3, 20, 0, 5, 18, 16. 3, 0, 29, 12. 8, 10, 14, 9, 3, 12, and 19. Well, you found all those 12s. Practice saying those numbers. Get good at naming numbers. Okay, today your challenge is to show the value of 12. You are going to draw 12 flowers, do 12 tally marks, and then try to challenge yourself to come up with some other ways to make 12. Let's start with the tally marks. We will have to have 2 5s. So 1, 2, 3, 4, shut the door. That's 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 5, 10, 11, 12. So it's 10 plus 2 is the number that you are trying to make today, 12. Now I'm going to try to make 12 in a couple different ways. Let's start with dice, because dice we are familiar with. If I have 2 dice here, I'm going to make a double fact. Double facts are fun. That's when you add the same number 2 times, okay? So if I add 6 2 times, 6 plus 6, it equals 12. So I could write that problem out. 6 plus 6 equals 12, okay? If I do a number frame, the 10 frame, where I make a whole 10 frame, I would have to have more than one 10 frame, okay? These are a little tricky to draw on my chart here, but I would have to have one whole set of 10 and then 2 more, okay? So let's see here, we've got 1, oh, it's getting hard for me to use this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then if I cut it in half, now I have 10. And I need one whole set of 10. So I need one whole 10 grid colored in, and then one where I just color in 2. And that makes the problem 10 plus 2 equals 12, okay? Now, I can also use the tens grid to help me think of a subtraction problem. So if I think about it, what's 10 plus 10? 10 plus 10 is 20. So if I start with 20, let's say I have 20 cookies, and Patrick comes in, he's hungry, and he eats 2, 4, 6, 8. If he eats 8, if I take 8 of those cookies away, I will have, guess how many left? Well, now I just look at my grid here, 12. 12 cookies left. Okay, so the tens grids can also help you with subtraction problems. Okay, so today you are challenged to draw 12 flowers. If you draw the flowers, you might want to make some fun math patterns in the flowers that could show 12 in different ways. Maybe you color 6 leaves pink and 6 leaves purple. Maybe you put different colored dots on the flowers and they add up to 12. So you can challenge yourself that way as well. Okay, so have some fun today thinking of different ways to challenge your math thinking to make different values, different numbers that value equals 12. Remember, page for 12 to equal 12.